What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today we are taking a look at two beautiful interiors in Unreal Engine 5. First of all, we have this incredible modern interior which has some modern furniture like if we were in a sort of apartment. As you can see, the quality of these assets is real cool, and the best part is that this asset is free from Epic Games themselves. I will link the fab URL in the description so you can check it out. But it's really amazing, and imagine the possibilities that you have with this couple of assets in this environment, because you are not restricted to only making like this type of interiors. You can really use it, for example, this table over here for any type of like game at all. You know, of course it has to be with a modern kind of style, but you get the idea. You can customize them as you want as well. But specifically if you're trying to build like an office slash, you know, living apartment game for some reason, I mean, this can be pretty cool. And the craziest part is that this environment is originally created for Unreal Engine 4, and what I did was simply upgrade it into using Unreal Engine 5.5. So as you can see, it's using Lumen and everything, but it wasn't really designed for it, which is kind of crazy. But like I said, Lumen can pretty much work with anything at this point, so it was really easy to make it work. I literally just, you know, imported this asset into an Unreal Engine 5.5 project and it worked. Next up, we have this beautiful like rural Greek Mediterranean interior, which looks amazing. As you can see, I love kind of the style of it. As you can see, the walls and everything is not modern, it's kind of more rustic, and I don't know, I love it. Now the level is pretty simple. As you can see, it's literally like a cube, but you get the idea. The main thing is really like the assets and a bit of the overview. You could even expand this level if you want. As you can see, they use a pretty cool technique in the level for the showcase, which is like a huge you know, panel. In this case, it's like a 180-degree panel, so it looks from the inside as we were in a beautifully crafted environment, but it's actually just an, you know, a texture which also brings some light, which is pretty cool. And this is a technique used in a lot of games, but anyway, we're not talking about the technique, we're talking more about the assets. Now this asset is unfortunately not free like the other one. This is from a third-party user from Fab. I will link it anyway, and yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool too. You can create some cool stuff. So this video was mainly just to have an overview and kind of inspire you guys with some assets for some game environments that you can build on. I do this videos every now and then, but anyway, these environments are pretty cool. Like I said, I will link them in the description just in case you want to check them out. The first one is free from Epic Games themselves. So anyway, that's it guys. Found this video helpful. Like it, subscribe, and we're all set. Bye bye.